Hi everyone, I hope you are enjoying the live. Let's see what we are going to create today. It looks great. Let's see how we can create it. Okay, let's start. For the start, we need to add a new slide. In this new slide, we need to add and create the shapes we want. We go here, zoom out, and then create the shapes. After creating that, we need to bring it here down and create a copy of it. Okay, first, before creating copy, we need to do some modification. We format the shape, go here and set the shadow to the top, and then increase the size of the shadow and make it blurry. Okay, it's good. Now we create another copy, and another copy. But you see, the problem is that two of the copies are not in the slide. So because of that, we need to change the places. Now you see all the slides are visible. Now we need to color them all. At first, we format the background. For the background color, we are going to use this color and apply it to all. Then we are going to color everything from the dark to the light to set the shadowing that we created. Okay, let's go with that, and you see these two are the same color. My mistake, sorry. Okay, now we created, we copied the text. The text is Overdrive Sunset text and has nothing special in that. We copy the slide, and in this slide, we increase the size of the last one. Okay, and then we bring this to the front. Bring this thing to here to make a place for the text. We copy the text, paste it here. Okay, it's good. Now we select these three shapes and this chest shape and bring them to front. Then copy this slide, do the same thing, copy the text, paste the text here. Okay, change the text color to something more visible, like black is good. Then copy it another time. But before copying, we need to do some modification. We select these three and bring them to front. Now we copy that, create the slide, copy the text, paste it here, copy the text and by Ctrl+C and paste it by Ctrl+V. Then copy this slide. But before doing that, select these two wings and bring them to front. Copy this slide, increase the size, paste the last text, color it black. Okay, now select all the slides, set the transition to morph. Your slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, have a nice time, and don't forget to see my another videos.